Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Infinix Hot 60 randomly shuts off. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, check volume and power keys because it can suddenly press while using the hard case of your phone. So firstly check your volume and power keys and then open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option system. Now click on it and then click on schedule power on or off and restart. If you turn on these buttons, then turn it off. After turn off auto restart, then go back and click on reset phone. Now click on reset data and then click on erase all data. It means erase all the settings in your device. After that, go back to your home screen and your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.